Alright, yesterday was actually January 31st. We put in this pellet stove here in the basement. This house didn't have any fireplaces in it, and well, my office is down here. It's kind of messy, but it's cold down here. So I cranked this sucker up on high just for the video. The heat that comes off of this is pretty amazing. 45,000 BTU. Auger just constantly drops little pellets in there. There's some complaints on this pellet fuel. It's got a lot of ash. That seems to be a little excessive to me for how little's burned. Probably half the hopper. I've probably run almost 20 pounds through this thing already in 2 days. Just trying to do the initial burn in. Vents right out. Minimum 1-inch clearance. You can put your hand on the pipe even with the thing on high. And it's warm. It'd be like holding your hand under running water. And then running hot water, that is. Whoop, that's probably not going to focus. Exhaust vent there. Believe it or not, that has the minimum clearances required to that plant. That plant's going to come out anyway because this dirt needs to be raised up here in the corner. But zero emission, zero visible emission. Smokes a little bit right when you first start it up. Yeah, look at that sucker. It's sweet. It's been on low all day. That's on high right now. Keeping the office at a nice cozy 71.